Meaning of fluvial.
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 Fluvial. Fluvial refers to anything related to streams or rivers. It can be used to describe the physical features of a river system, such as the channel, banks, or floodplain, as well as the processes that shape them, like erosion, sedimentation, or flooding. Fluvial landscapes are characterized by their dynamic nature and high diversity, and they provide important resources and services for human societies and ecosystems alike. Understanding the fluvial processes and patterns is crucial for managing and conserving these valuable environments and minimizing the risks associated with their variability and change.